I'd do a little pack with me. I'm going on vacation to Costa Rica in a couple of days, so I thought I'd bring you along while I pack. I'll tell you all my favorite travel essentials, some of the stuff I'm going to bring. We're going to pack both my big suitcase here and then this backpack, which I'm going to use as my carry-on. I'm going to be at the beach, so of course I'm going to need some denim shorts. I'm also going to bring a little denim skirt just for options, but I'm going to bring a black pair of cutoff shorts, these Girlfriend brand rolled up ones. I haven't even worn those yet. And then also some cutoff Levi's ones. You guys know I wear pants like this all the time. Light wash, distressed Levi's shorts. So of course I have to bring those. Now there's typically two ways I'll pack my suitcase. Either I'll completely have every outfit styled and then I'll pack those, or I'll just pack a bunch of random things and I'll style once I get there, which I think I'm going to do that in this case. For my tops, I'm definitely grabbing tops that could be a beach cover-up, but it could also just be a regular top instead. So I have this little crocheted one. I love little crocheted shirts for the beach. I think they're amazing. And then I also love wrap tops. I have this one from Sabo skirt. It's got little polka dots on it. Again, this, you could easily just have this as a beach cover-up, like wear your little bathing suit, go on the beach with this, but you could also just put a pair of pants over it and it would be an outfit. This is one of those simple basic pieces that I'm going to pack just because I'm styling once I get there. It will definitely go with everything that I'm bringing. I'm also going to bring a little flowy dress with me. I love bringing flowy dresses to the beach. One, in case we go to a really nice dinner and I need a little dress, but also for pictures. This one is from Revolve. It's silky and it's got this deep V and it's super fun to twirl in. So I think this will be perfect one to bring. You guys know I love my pinstripe shirt. I picked up this one from Brandy. It like cinches at the waist, which I think is really cool. That way you don't have to like tie it yourself, because I normally always do that, especially if I'm going to wear it just over top one of my bathing suits. And then of course we have some bathing suit options. I'm definitely going to bring this one piece. I actually bought it last summer and completely forgot and never wore it. It has like this rope detailing in the front that I really like. It gives me nautical vibes, which I love. We have to bring hats. I'm going to bring this lack of color hat. I wore this all the time last summer. Me and my mom are like obsessed with these hats. I'm also going to bring a little dad cap. This is like a nude Calvin Klein one. This always helps on the beach when your hair is kind of crazy. I'm also going to bring this. It's like a little handkerchief I got from Urban, and I've seen a lot of people tying their ponytails in buns with these, and I really like the way that it looks, so I'm going to bring this. You have to bring beach bags. I have this one from Cult Gaia. It's got this cool like black and nude beading on it, and I'm really in love with it. I think it's going to be perfect for the beach, so I'm going to bring this. I'm also going to bring my mini backpack. I'm going to bring a fanny pack. And then for like my beach bag sort of thing, I am obsessed with this bag. It's like this brown furry material, and it has these big gold clasps on it. For shoes, of course, I go with more comfortable and beachy options. I'm going to bring my Adidas slides, and I'm also going to bring these little black and gold chain slide ones and my white slip-on Vans. These are like my everyday shoe. Of course, we need sunglasses, and you guys know I have a big sunglasses addiction. I have these huge pair. They're like tortoiseshell ones that I really, really like. And then I also have these like mini gold ones. And then I have another pair. These are just like black little mini ones. I love these. Of course, you have to protect them. And ooh, these are cute. I'm going to bring these too. You can't have enough pairs, am I right? I do travel with all of my jewelry in little separate jewelry bags. Make sure that they don't get tangled. I keep everything separated. I'm definitely like a jewelry junkie, especially when it comes to the summertime. I feel like the main way to spice up like a pretty simple summer outfit is to add tons of jewelry. With my bathing suits, I never take it off. For some body products, I have a couple of things. For the beach, definitely this is a fave. It's a must-have, not even just for traveling, well, for traveling too, but for the summer. This is the Jergens Natural Glow Daily Moisturizer. But when I'm on vacation, I like to make my tanning a little bit more simple than using a mousse and a mitt and like all the, I don't like doing that. So this is basically a regular body lotion, like what you expect lotion to look like, just clear, nothing crazy about it, but it will tan your skin as it like sinks in. Then I like to bring with me this. Of course you don't have to use this exact brand, but this is from La Mer. It's their glowing body oil. It's basically just a beautifully perfumed body oil that has gold glitter in it. I like to spray this on when I'm going on the beach, and it's great for pictures too. I also have some of the Natasha Denona Body Glow, and then I have the Pixie. This is the Sun Mist. I'll bring regular sunscreen for my body as well, but this is like a sunscreen in a mist form, so you can spray this all over. You can technically spray it on your whole body, but it's like sunscreen in a mist. More products. You know your girl's into skincare, so we have some products. Actually, this is pretty minimal for me. I have 2 hair products. I bring my Wave Spray, of course, because it's the beach. My hair is normally wet and it's forming curly, so I'll just spray it with some little sea salt spray to texturize it, as well as this rose hair and body oil. For my skincare, I have the Mario Badescu Cucumber Makeup Removing Cleanser, and then I have this Hydrating Fluid Face Mist. This is from Valmont. I love this one. It's easily my favorite smelling hydrating spray ever. For my makeup, this is all I have. I normally bring a makeup bag, but since I only have a couple pieces, I'm just going to use one of the little pockets that's already inside my suitcase. So first I'm bringing my Laura Mercier, my Tinted Illuminizing Moisturizer. This is pretty much my everything. I have my Milk Makeup Cream Bronzer, as well as this is my Chanel Cream Blush. I also have my Sunbeam from Benefit, which is basically a gold liquid highlighter. I like that you can just kind of paint this on your skin and just rub it around. I have clear brow gel, and then my coconut balm from Glossier, and then a clear gloss from Chanel. And then for a perfume, I'm gonna bring just one. I normally will either travel with a couple like sample sprays, but I always travel just with a rollerball. This is the Replica Beach Walk perfume. This is just easily my #1 favorite perfume for the summer. It just reminds me of summer, and it just smells amazing. So for my carry-on, I pretty much treat it like a purse. I have my keys with my little doctor on it. I have my wallet. Obviously, my passport will go in here too. A pair of headphones, because I love listening to music on the plane. I have my vlog camera, and pretty much all my technology goes in here. All of my I'm holding one. All of my chargers will go in here. I'm also going to put some scrunchies in here, and then I'm also going to bring this, which is my little, I call it my Jesus journal. I basically write down a ton of things, like little, almost like my own daily devotional of little topics, my favorite scriptures. It's just a cute little thing I like to write in. It keeps me occupied when I'm on the plane, and I'll also, once I'm at my gate, I'll eventually buy like snacks and fashion magazines, and I'll fold that all up in here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm super excited to go to Costa Rica. There's going to be tons of cool pictures on my Instagram. By the way, my links will be in the description. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to be notified when the Costa Rica vlog is up and the other videos that I'm going to film there and after. I post every single Friday. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!